nung nandito na ako sa UP, sinabi ko talaga sa sarili ko na kailangan kong magpakatotoo sa sarili ko dahil kung hindi ako magpapakatotoo, hindi ko ma-fulfill yung mga pangarap ko nung bata ako. I always owe it to myself to become my person or my childhood self has always dreamed of. That an empowered queer kid who is never afraid to fight for their own fairy tale so that she gets to live the life she deserves. Ako nga pala si Jules Acer Jade Bordas de la Peña, and I originally came from Siargao. I identify myself as a queer kid. UP has always been my dream. I've seen how UP is very progressive in terms of policies and gender inclusivity. I am a second-year political science student. It's a dream of mine to also become a drag queen with substance, advocating for the things that I believe in, especially in our LGBTQIA community. Sa pagpasok ko, I actually do my reportings in drag. So, ayun, hindi na ako nag-ask ng consent sa mga professor ko. They just accept me for what I am. Well, I've been dancing for more than a decade now. I started when I was in grade 4. And it's also a dream come true to dance as a woman. Because in dance sport, usually we see a male and female partnership. When I was given the opportunity to dance as a woman, I feel so much powerful now. My category is Third Ken category. It was a first-time category in the SQUA National Games 2025. Basically, Third Ken category is a male and male partnership. We competed actually last April. Mahirap talaga siya because mahirap maghanap ng partner for me kasi sa aming team, limited lang yung couples namin. Lahat sila ng mga lalaki talaga. So, parang hindi sila open to accepting me as a partner before. So, that was my first challenge. But then, my partner, when I competed in the nationals, was actually Kuya Aya. He was from Cebu Normal University. And I'm very grateful of him because tinupad niya talaga yung pangarap ko. And yung parents ko, hindi din nila alam na sumali ako. Tinago ko kasi baka may trauma din kasi ako when it comes to acceptance sa family ko. So, itinago ko lang kasi alam kong baka magalit sila o baka hindi ako bigyan ng allowance. So, ayun, nabigyan kami ng parangal na maging gold medalist. Nung nalaman nila na nanalo ako, naging parang tolerating lang sila in a way na hindi ko pa masyadong na-feel yung love na gusto kong ma-feel nun. Pero I'm grateful naman na they're slowly accepting my category and my gender identity right now. This has always been a dream of mine, and I'm very grateful to become the first ever gold medalist to have this. This victory is definitely not just for me, it's for all the queer community, and I hope to bring this legacy, especially in my hometown as well.